In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can link your bank account to Wise. So whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the steps are pretty much the same. So you want to look for recipients, select add recipient. In this case, it's going to be myself, of course. Select your account currency. So for the currency, select US dollars if you're not seeing your local currency. And if it's an international transfer, select SWIFT. Enter your account number and enter the SWIFT code for your bank. Now, if you don't know the SWIFT code for your bank, it's simple, Google. So in my case, I'm going to say NCB SWIFT code, and this is it. So let's head over back to Wise, enter and select confirm. So I've successfully linked my bank account to Wise. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.